it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. I have started working on my Art Dot Custom Gnome. I pulled it out because our friend Mindy, from Mindy's Diamonds, is doing Gnome November, but with a gnome. And I just decided that I would do it. But as I started doing the white of this precious gnome, I was bored. And what do I do when I'm bored? I talk to my friends. I want to say hi to you guys. So if I go off camera, I'm just doing these white tees of 38.65. I don't know yet what I'm going to do for his beard or whatnot. I'm okay with white all out here. I know his beard needs to be kind of white as well, but I felt like it would be too much white. And so I'm going back and forth on whether I should do like a AB white. At first I'm like, hey, I'll use sparklers, but I don't think I want like his beard to sparkle. I don't know. So I'm still trying to figure out what to do with his beard. I should have probably changed this outside, but I don't have enough spare of what 80% of this picture is to have changed the outside color. So you guys will have to just, stick around to figure out what I end up doing. The shadow is really bad. I could do like finger puppets. Look at that. I'd be like, hello, I'm a bunny, wherever I hop, you're gonna hop, I'm a bunny, let's diamond paint with me. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Oh, it's been a while since I've done like a WIP N CHAT, so I thought, while I'm placing, I love this pen. I got it from Enabler's Outpost a while ago, and then she's now selling rose gold four placers, and so it just matches so perfect to the copper that's in this pen. All right, squirrel. All right. So last night I did not go live. This is Saturday when I'm taping this. I don't know when it'll actually go up, but I did not go live for Friday Fun with Jen. I was out with my bestie, and we used to once a year go out away from the kids, just have some fun talking without interruptions. And we decided to do it again this year. We were supposed to do it this summer, but life happened, so I canceled, and we moved it to this weekend. We had a lot of fun, and we just talked and talked. We used to stay up till 2 or 3 in the morning, but last night it was like 11. We're like, oh, we're tired. Let's go to bed. But then we, old school, like a sleepover. We laid there with the lights off, and we probably talked till about 12:30. And then she was on a medication she takes medication that makes her tired, not a sleep aid. It's like the med she's on helps her go to sleep. So I heard her even breathing before and of course I suffer a little bit with insomnia. So I laid there to get comfortable, and I made sure I didn't, look on my phone or anything. That's the thing. The light on your phone actually activates your brain like it's supposed to, because your brain thinks, oh, I'm supposed to be awake. So no matter how tired you are, your brain is fighting to stay awake. And so that's why people struggle if they're on their phones before they sleep. If they struggle with insomnia, it can take up to 2 hours for your brain to figure out that it no longer needs to be awake. So I would say your side effect, if you're on your phone and you suffer with sleep issues, is up to 2 hours of awakeness. Use your phone. So many times my clients, I'm a therapist if you're new to the channel, will have insomnia trouble. I do work with refugees from around the world. And so I do a lot of what they call psychoeducation, which is just education of how, you know, your self works. And so we talk a lot about how when they call overseas and it's night and they're on FaceTime or WhatsApp and they're talking to their family, which they say calms them, brings down their anxiety so they can sleep. They're confused why they still can't sleep. And so we talk a lot about how the light of the phone is keeping their mind awake. And there's not really much we can do to rectify because I'm not going to tell them not to talk to their family, but we do then talk about other ways that they can help calm their mind more quickly. You know, taking a warm shower, a warm bath, having some warm tea without caffeine. Now, of course, if you have major issues with insomnia, some of the calming coping skills don't work as well unless you do them over and over and keep practicing. That's something I talk to my clients a lot too, is they feel like it should be an instant fix. You know, you take ibuprofen and your pain goes away a little bit, or you're tired and you drink some coffee and now you're awake a little bit. Habits and coping skills don't work as quickly because your body is in a habit. It wants to do what it wants to do. And so many times you have to practice, practice, practice. And I usually compare it because they're trying to learn English. I say, you know, you are in the middle of learning English and you go to English class and right away you're not going to learn English. You have to practice and practice and practice because your brain has to relearn something. And it doesn't want to relearn it because it thinks it already knows it. It's lost that sense of curiosity. And so practice, practice, practice. So the first time you take a nice warm shower and you're teaching your brain that laying down means sleepy time, your brain's not going to think it's sleepy time. So you're going to have to keep practicing and keep working on changing your mindset, and then it'll help. Again, this is, you know, not going to change the world stuff, but it's like dieting, or I don't like to use dieting. It's like changing your food consumption. It takes a while for your body to realize how it needs to burn fat differently. And once your body starts figuring that out, then results come not quickly overnight, but you start to see results. Same is true for insomnia. Now, I suffer really bad with insomnia right now, so I'm preaching to the choir. And I try my coping skills, and I get frustrated because they don't work sometimes, and it's a struggle. So I understand. I understand. All right, we're getting these teas. Tia. I'm getting some teas done. If I had some creativity strength right now, I thought about making little flowers around him because it's all white, but I don't have any creativity strength right now. So we're just doing it how the picture was given to me. What I did, because they asked me, if you go back to the video, I wanted to try Art Dot's customs. And so I found a free to use gnome, right? And I forget what it's called. It eludes me right now. You guys know what it's called. Public domain, something like that. And so I sent it in because I wanted a gnome. So cute. And so that's how I got this, because there's a lot of white around. And then I thought when I got it, hey, I could like do little flowers out in the white. But I'm not that creative. Okay, let's see what we're doing. I got my spangler underneath here. I'm working on for hashtag Seasons of Spangler. And then I got my gnome that I'm working on for November. Once I get these two done, I am pulling out, I gotta do that video. I'm hoping to do it tomorrow. I gotta find it. It's like this roaming Christmas painting. I got it from Craftably, and last year. I'm gonna go into the whole story when I do the video because it's a funny story. I'm not gonna cheat now, but I am gonna do a Craftably for Christmas. I'm not really doing a collab along, but I just want to do a Christmas one, and that'll be fun. And I'm hoping, that's my chair. It's letting us all know it's here. It's like, hello, I want to be on the video too. So I'm hoping to really, I don't want to say bling it out. I want to say enhance it. So I'm looking forward to pulling that out. And I received it. It wasn't Craftably's fault. That's what the story is. It was USPS's fault, and there's a really funny story that goes with it. And so I ended up getting it too late to be able to do it last year. And I really wanted to do it last year, but I couldn't. And so I am doing it this year. And I hope to then help people learn different ways to enhance their paintings so that when we go into blinging in the new year, we are all ready to have some fun in the sun. And I'm super excited about the blinging in the new year. Tia is going to do it with me. And basically what we're doing is every Friday live with me, she's going to be my guest. And we're going to talk about ways to enhance our paintings, like highlight, low light, adding more depth, where to use sparklers, ABs, crystals, different things like that. And then we're going to open it up that you guys, if you want, can come in on the live and ask us questions about your actual painting or general questions that we can answer right there. So I'm really excited that it will be an interactive, hands-on, and we can all learn from each other. And that will be our blinging in the new year. And I love it because it's a collab, but not a collab. So you don't have to pick a new painting. It's not anything that's going to take away from what you're already doing. Hopefully it's going to add to what you're doing. So I'm very excited about that. See where we're going. Getting these done. I'm getting them done. Don't forget, if you're watching this in real time, that we're doing hashtag DP Heartitude. A lot of people have said, like, where do I go and find it? So it is a YouTube event. So on my channel, go to the community tab at the top. So if you go to my channel and it says videos, playlist, it'll say community. And on there are these posts. Now, if you're a subscriber, you should automatically get them in your feed. I'm not sure why it wouldn't, but I want to let you know in case it doesn't. You go to that community tab and there's a post every day about gratitude. Gratitude is a type of Thanksgiving. And if you put something you're grateful for, thankful for, happy about, whatever it is, in the comments of that daily post, you are entered to win a crystal canvas of your choosing from crystalcanvas.us. That is Amy Reed. She has beautiful crystal canvases, and I am doing my Choose Joy canvas. That's the third canvas I'm doing for November. So I have 3 going. My Spangler, my Gnome, and my Choose Joy. So go over there, and it's per day. So you can have 30 entries, 1 per day for the month of November. And I will go through each day and pull a daily finalist at the end of the month. So there will be 30 finalists. Now, that's the fun part. It doesn't have to be 30 different people. If you were chosen on November 5th and chosen again on November 10th, then you have a better chance because there are 2 entries for you for the final of the finalists. So I don't know if I explained that well, but I'm just letting you know. So go check it out. I'm hoping to promote some positivity as we enter this holiday season. Hashtag DP Heartitude. So I'm excited about that. Let's see what else we got going on. I got a tray from Archer's Arts I gotta open. I'm super excited. It's over here next to me. That's the thing about having a channel and wanting to open it for you guys. It just sits here if I have a busy week, because I need to, instead of just opening it and going, oh, that's so fun, and then starting to use it, I have to think, okay, is this something I want to videotape for everybody to see? If so, then I have to make sure I find an hour worth of time, even if it's an 8-minute video or a 3-minute video, to actually do the video, clear off my table, then put the video into the editing software. And even if I'm not editing, the editing software consolidates the video, so it actually uploads onto YouTube more quickly. And so I have to put it into the editing software. So that takes time. Then I have to download it from the editing software, and then I have to upload it onto YouTube. And I love doing it. It's just a 3-minute video could take an hour, hour and a half for me to get out there, all to open up a tray that I'm dying for. And so if I get stuff, because of my work schedule right now, if I get it Monday through Thursday, I can't open it because I don't have any time until Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm hoping to, tomorrow is Sunday when I'm shooting this video. So I'm hoping tomorrow to be able to get a bunch of stuff done. Because if I can open them like back to back to back, then it helps me not have to have as much time. But yeah. Well, guys, I am going to take a break from this and go grab myself some food. So I love you all. This was just a quick little WIP and chat to get me through some more of the teas. Sorry for the crinkling with the Spangler over here. But I hope you guys have a great day. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.